The state Supreme Court sparks new life into a ballot measure that could impact abortion rights in Arkansas. Fox 16's Dorothea Wilson joins us live now with reaction and what this means for the November election. Dorothea?
Hi, good morning, Ashley. That is right. Now, the court ordered Secretary of State John Thurston to count those signatures received by volunteers for the amended ballot initiative. Now, that has to be done by July 29th. That's Monday, July 29th at 9 a.m. Now, this comes after Arkansans For Limited Government, who are advocating for this amendment, says they turned in more than 100,000 signatures on the July 5th deadline. But Thurston did not count the signatures, saying more than 14,000 were gathered by paid canvassers who lacked the legally required paperwork. AFLG sued the state after providing the required documents and are working to override the Secretary of State's decision. Attorney General Tim Griffin called the paperwork error a failure for which they, AFLG, only have themselves to blame. But others think the amendment is the right thing to do.
We do feel the Supreme Court right now is upholding democracy and the rule of law, and we're excited to see what they'll do next. And more importantly, that they're validating the voices of the volunteers and signers that came out and worked really hard to get those signatures.
It depends on what.
Now, the proposed amendment would stop any laws from being passed to restrict abortion in cases of rape, incest, fatal fetal anomaly, or to protect the life or well-being of the mother within the first 18 weeks after conception. Now, we will be following this story very closely and update you both on air and on our website at fox16.com. Reporting live from the Capitol, I'm Dorothea Wilson. Back to you.
All right, thanks.